6.
Oh.
6-0.
Dedíquese esa cara.
Canadian bomber. That's right.
And now introduce Daniel again, please.
Okay, and Danielle starts with 2. The challenger from Bogota, Colombia. The Colombian assassin. The Jefe. Also known as the Jackal. Also known as, what's that guy's name? Yeah. Danielle, my name is Caballero. Woo!
Gardner, baby. Gardner first.
Boy, let's go to some rules. You don't hit me, you hit me.
Yeah, okay, I want a clean fight. You fight toward the,
Go. Up. Yeah, you. I'm talking to you.
So this is where you go. Right here. You fight toward this thing. You fight to this thing. Right?
Yeah, I know the rules, coach. Thanks.
Okay, where's your gloves though? Where's your gloves, champ?
I don't know where I'm close.
Come on, champ.
All right.
All right, here we go.
No problem. My remote